Hi guys, I'm Kinley,
My name is Sam.
and we're with the Wide Horizons program at the high school. So today we're going to be teaching you guys about camouflage. So can anyone tell me what camouflage is? So camouflage is a pattern that helps animals blend in with their surroundings.
So there are actually four types of camouflage, and our first type of camouflage is called concealing coloration, and that's when an animal hides itself against a background of the same color. So if you look at this picture, you can see the white polar bear blending in with the white snow. Can you guys think of another example where an animal uses its color to blend into the same color background? So our second type of camouflage is called disruptive coloration, and that's when an animal uses the stripes or patterns on its body to make it hard for another animal to see the outline of their body and how many there are. So if you look at the zebras, there's a bunch of them and it makes it hard to see how many there are. So can you guys tell me what a predator and prey are? So a predator is an animal that hunts another animal, and the prey is the animal that gets hunted. So the zebras would be the prey, and the predator would be hunting them, but the predator wouldn't know how many zebras there are. Next is disguise, and that's when an animal blends in with their surroundings by the shape or texture of their body. So if you look at this picture, you can see the owl blending into the tree trunk and the bark with the texture of its body. Can you guys think of another example where an animal uses the shape or texture of its body to blend in? So our fourth and final type of camouflage is called mimicry, and it kind of sounds like mimic, and it's when an animal poses as another animal, specifically an unappetizing animal, so they copy it and they're imposters.
So if you guys look at the picture over there, it looks like a monarch butterfly, but it's actually a viceroy butterfly. The viceroy butterfly is camouflaging himself as a monarch because monarchs are poisonous to birds. So do you guys remember what predator and prey are? Predator is an animal that attacks a smaller animal, and prey is the animal that's being attacked. So animals known as prey use camouflage to hide from other animals known as predators that are hunting them. Predators can also use camouflage to sneak up on their prey.
So next we have a little game for you guys. So we're going to show you a picture of an animal, and you're going to tell us what animal you see and how the animal is using camouflage. So what do you guys see here? So this is an octopus, and how is this octopus using camouflage? It's blending into the bottom of the sea by the texture of its body and the color of its body. It's a Mediterranean octopus.
So what do you guys see here? This is a copperhead snake, and how do you think he's using camouflage? He is blending in with the leaves on the ground.
So what do you guys see here? This is a leopard, and how is this leopard using camouflage? It's blending into the grass that's growing, and it looks like it's looking for another animal or hunting one.
What do you guys see here? So this is the white mountain hare, and how is he using camouflage? He's blending in with the white snow.
So what do you guys see pictured here? So this is a spider, specifically a yellow spider. And how is this yellow spider using camouflage? It's blending in with the leaf that's the same color as its body.
What do you guys think you see here? So this is actually a chameleon, and how is he using camouflage? He is camouflaging himself like a leaf.
So what do you guys see here? So this is a grasshopper, and how is the grasshopper using camouflage? This grasshopper is using its green color to blend in with the stems and the leaves.
It's okay. You can go to the next slide. Okay. Okay, so now we brought our animal with us to show you. So this is Yoshi. She is a veiled chameleon. We got her January 8th, and she was 1 month old when we got her. So she's about like 4 months now, almost 4 months. So she camouflages herself by contracting and the cells in her skin that contain different colors. And she can change color in as little as 20 seconds. And she doesn't have ears, so she can't hear anything.
And we got her at Reptile World, and she mostly changes colors, shades of green and brown. She can't change like blue or red or anything. She changes colors when she's mad or when she's absorbing light. And so chameleons can eat insects, but we feed her mealworms. They're about this long, super thin little brownish gray worms that she eats. And chameleons originate from Madagascar. And when Yoshi is fully grown, she can be up to 2 feet long, including the length of her tail. And she has a pretty long tail. And when she's in her cage, she can change her color to a dark green or brownish shade, and she can absorb light.
So that concludes our presentation.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.